The two videos I released last week on using average true range to help set your profit and loss bands and the always winning method, I really want you to watch those. I'm going to attach those at the end of today's video. Why? Because they're so critically important in helping you put the rubber to the road. Why do I say that? Because they focus on the techniques to set profit and loss bands, because losses kill you. And you need a good method for setting those and a good method for setting when to get out of a trade. Most people have no training in that. They have all sorts of ideas about indicators, how to find a trade, but no idea when to get out, how to get out, and how to make a profit. And the beautiful thing about the figures that you see there, the math is, you don't even have to win half the time. If you can win 40% of the time, that is, you're throwing darts at a board and you miss half the time, you can still be successful. You might say, Tom, that's crazy. The world doesn't work that way. Watch the two videos at the end of today's video and you will understand. And it will open your eyes and motivate those of you who are used to failing. There's no reason to fail. And the beautiful thing about what we do here at chartingwealth.com is it's all free. I'm not here pitching some course to you. I'm going to tell you half of what's going on and then make you sign up and pay me money. That's not it. Watch this stuff. You'll love it. If you do appreciate what we do, then of course you can support us at Patreon, but by no means do you have to do that. There's no secret. There's nothing there that's going to drag you over and make you pay money. Watch those two videos and then let me hear from you. Put some comments in. Let me hear if you think they're as good as I think they are. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters. I'm sitting right next to it.